Hello friends, my name is Manoj Kumar from Corp IT. From today onward, we are starting a new series on my channel that is Linux Right for the Beginner. In this, we'll see how you can get started with the Linux. So first of all, in order to jump into Linux, first of all, let's understand what exactly the operating system is. So you have your machine, let's suppose you have your laptop, you have your desktop. So in order to interact with that hardware, you need some sort of interface. That interface is known as operating system. So there are lots of company who created um, their version of that OS, or you can also say as interface. Like Microsoft created Windows, Apple created Mac OS, Google created Chrome OS, and we have Linux. And in Linux, we have different distribution. So now understand how Linux is created. So back in the days, like in 1970s, 1918, we have the OS, but those are very proprietary OS. Those are using in labs in and also in the big laboratory. So if you are a personal user, you cannot use that. So later on, in 1991, Linus Torvalds created the Linux kernel and he open sourced it so that anyone can come and he can change the code as per their requirement, and he can get a new variation of the Linux. Like that, there are lots of company who come, and lots of people come. He check the code, and as per their requirement, they rebuild the a variation of Linux. That's why we have plethora of variation of Linux available in the market. Like Mint OS is there, Cinnamon OS is there, Kali Linux is there, Parrot is there, Fedora is there, Arch is there, and the list is on and on. So there are few enterprise solution as well, well in Linux, and there are few or community edition as well, like Red Hat. Red Hat is more catered toward the enterprise solution. It's a paid one, so if you want more security and reliability, then you can go with the Red Hat. But if you are um, open source and you don't have a production ready environment, then you can also go with open source solution like Fedora Server Edition and Ubuntu Server Edition. So this all from this video. In next video, we'll talk about how you can choose a Linux distribution. I hope you like this video. If you having any suggestion, you can comment us. Like this video, share with your friend. Until the time, peace.